welcome back to another video on the channel today. It's got Snapchat. If you like my new screensaver, then do give it a like and like this video if you like my new screensaver. And all I want to say before that is subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That would really mean a lot to me because we're on the road to 170 subscribers on 162 or 63, I can't really remember. But yeah, if you like my new Manseeker, well, I've already showed you it, guys, like quite a lot of times. But if you're new to the channel and you've never seen this skip before, then please subscribe. And if you like it, like this video. Yeah, if you're new, please subscribe. And yeah, so we've got a hell lot of stuff in here. I've got a whole lot of stuff in here. So today, I'm using this new giveaway on YouTube that I signed into before I did this video. A few days ago I did it, I signed into it, and I'm going to, you can say give away anything you want at home or new or something like that, and I want to give away this goodie bag. So this goodie bag is pretty cool. I'm not even gonna lie, so got quite a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just gonna go through quite a lot of stuff that you guys could, win if you enter this. It's quite a lot of stuff like that. You can win some nice mini Oreos. You can win this squishy football. You can win a squirtable pistol. Let's go. You can win some nice sweets right here. You can win a bouncy ball basketball. You can win some gum right here. You can win a chubby cheek. You can win these Titans. They're so sick. I just came out with them. They just came out with them and that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Look at them, they're lit. So if you've never had a Titan before, they're super duper cool. And I absolutely love Titans, so yeah. All that. So you've got a nice Titan there, you can win that. Right, so I'm trying to find the specific thing. So yeah, you can win this football basketball and this squishy football. You just like really sweet stuff, You can win all these lollipops and stuff like that. I don't know. You can even win double in a row. So you can win a bouncy ball, football, bouncy ball, basketball, and a lollipop. And a lollipop, chub. Wherever you want in there, and I'm giving away that goodie bag, so you'll get everything in there, maybe even some new stuff. But yeah, let's get right into the house tour. So I have done a house tour 2 weeks ago, but that was just inside, right? I'm going to be showing the front where the car park is and our car. I'm going to be showing inside, I'm going to be showing the backyard, and then everything's just normal. But the cool features, which is outside and stuff like that. So I'm going to get my shoes on and we're going to go outside first into the backyard because that's where you first see when you come into our house, which is pretty obvious because that's just that. That's just life. So let's put on my Nike Air Forces. Put these on. Off-white Nike Air Forces.
When you come back in,
okay.
Is it okay if I go for my walk?
Yeah, sure. Sorry, it's taking it so long to get my shoes on. But yeah. Okay, so we're in the porch right now. So first of all, when you see, actually see the FH right here because I've got my. So right here, you've got my new dope merch. You can get one with any name on the front, any name. Okay, you can get anything. Got some nice pockets, but yeah, I just dropped this in there. So go cop it right now. Right now, guys, right now. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to go and cop it on the First World channel. Did you do it? Did you do it? You did it. I know you did it. I believe in you guys. Okay, so sorry I haven't uploaded in like 3 days. Actually, no, longer than that. Like a week nearly. If you're new, then yes, that is true to real fans. But yeah. So when you open it, you see this first, then you see the big door, the little box right there. So you see all the nice little plants, got a plant there, see the window, and then all up there, and then you see some other plants, and then it's just all my next door papers. Okay, so there's really nothing much to see right here, but you know, it's got my car, also my car, and also my car. But yeah, there's really nothing much to say on the garage. I'm thinking of getting some gates right here as security, or extending the walls right there. So that's a good thing. One of the bricks came off, so that's why we're going to try and extend the wall. And we've got some green there. This is me and my next door neighbour's bins. And then we've got the electric wire right here. Like the guy was saying, it's not as protective because say if you do touch it, all will happen. You will die probably, but you'll just electrocute yourself. Like, and we don't want to do that to other people. So, and it's not that. And it's just if I touch it, I'll die. If you dare me, guys, to go into the forest and like touch these things that actually can kill you, drop a big like right now on the channel, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and smash that notification bell to get notifications whenever I upload. But yeah, all the signs, all the trees, yeah, electric wire. And then sometimes I come out here so I can hear the music, it's very loud. Sometimes I come out here and I just play some footy and everything, and it's super, it's really nice today, like really nice. And then I've got the just main grass, all of this up to here, it's all our property. Then I come up here, and this is all our property all up here. And we've still got the still got the grass and the water into it. Every time all these houses then it will like what's the word? Go into water and it will drain it down. I don't really know how you say it. But yeah, and then you see the private car park. Strictly no other authorised parking. So that's just another new feature of the this got built in years back, because you never have really noticed it in my video. So that's a new built-in thing that you can, see whenever you walk into the garage. They've got the main grass right here, and it's just all super cool. But you don't. This is right here. So where I'm standing is not our property. The camera just absolutely died. This is not our property anymore. It only went up when it goes out to the end right there. So that's pretty sad. But then again, so yeah, we're thinking of extending these walls or putting a gate somewhere. But then again, you don't really have to. But I can't just be nice. But then again, it's right there. But then again, you don't have to extend it because, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much. Then all that is not our property. All of that is not authorised for us. Yeah, and I got some steam nickels right there. If you fall into it, I will probably send myself really badly. And I got the electric wire right there, like I was talking about. But yeah, everything else here is just pretty plain. Like I'm just like. I don't know, like, this is pretty much just, like, what the car park is. You've got loads of, what do you call it, brick things, so, like, honestly, to stand here and talk you guys through. So basically, why we have this is when we don't have a normal garage. It's because when you have garages, it's not really super cool because you can't. I mean, yeah, garages. Oh my gosh, yeah, the garages. But it takes time to open them up. So this is why we just have this. We have that driveway right over there, so we can just drive up and cars. So that's pretty much all the features about it. But the reason why we have the car park is, and we have the sign right there, is because so no one tries to come and park in here and everything like that. So I'm just telling you guys that now because that's what I think. But yeah, some of us have got pets, so we're not thinking of doing that idea because they might get trapped and special reasons might happen. But yeah, so this is basically just a tour of my car park. All on the roof right here, which is nothing to do with the car park, but this is all the top rooms where the bedrooms and the bar. And then you can get lower ones. There's 3 levels on each house. Some of them are higher, some of them are lower. There's a chip right there. It's a right angle corner, 236 inches away from our house. So it's pretty not what ideal, because if you fall out of that window, you'll shoot back onto here. But I don't think I'll that way. But when next to my sister's 2 windows, we've got the start of my window and then the other 2 on the back, because I've got a back window and 2 other windows, and my sister hasn't got the same. But there you go. But yeah, that's different features about my car park. Come on, man, I'm vlogging right here. I'm vlogging. Okay, right. But yeah, basically just all the cool features that you can find. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already, or if you're new. I really appreciate it because we're on the road to 100